Hello everyone, our innovation title is Dual Action Biofertilizer, Supercharged Micro for Nutrient Unlocking and Eco-Friendly Pesticide Cleanup. This project focuses on the theme of agriculture development and sustainable environment and has been developed under the IIC Institute, Central University of Rajasthan. We are pleased to share that this video has been submitted as a part of the National Innovation Contest of the Ministry of Education Innovation Cell and AICTE. We are representing the Central University of Rajasthan, Ajmer, as an esteemed NAC A++ Category 1 institute holding the NIRF ranking 89 and offering a comprehensive academic structure of 12 schools, 33 departments and more than 70 programs. I am Salni Satya, serving as a team lead along with team member Dr. Charulata Sivodia, Milab Dasora, Preksha Palsania, mentored by Dr. Karima Kausik, Associate Professor within the Department of Environmental Science, School of Earth Sciences. The problem we aim to solve arises from the widespread decline in soil fertility due to overuse of chemical fertilizers along with the harmful buildup of pesticide residue in agricultural fields, affecting crop productivity, soil health, human health and long-term environmental sustainability. To address these challenges, we developed a dual-action biofertilizers powered by supercharged microbial strain that not only unlock essential nutrients naturally present in the soil but also degrade toxic pesticide residue, offering farmer an eco-friendly, efficient and sustainable solutions. The uniqueness of our innovation lies in its dual functionality. While traditional biofertilizers focus only on a nutrient solubilization or pesticide degradation, our formulation simultaneously solubilize multiple essential nutrients and degrade pesticide residue and also promote plant growth. This integration reduces chemical input, restores soil health and support cleaner and greener farming practices. Additionally, our microbial strains are optimized for enhanced efficiency, making the product suitable for diverse soil types and agriculture conditions. Our solution has a strong business potential in India, rapidly growing organic farming and sustainable agriculture market. The primary user include farmer, agriculture cooperatives and agri-product distributor. With increasing demand for a chemical-free produce and regenerative farming methods, our dual-action biofertilizer can be scaled up for large-scale agricultural use. It offers cost-effective, high-impact benefit, making it a commercially attractive and environmentally essential product. This is our innovative formulation of biofertilizer containing selective strain. When applied to a soil, the nutrient unlocking microbes solubilize multiple vital nutrients like phosphorus, potassium, and zinc, enhancing plant assimilation as well as degrade organophosphate pesticide residue in the soil, reducing toxicity and improving soil quality. The formulation also aids with the plant growth promotion through a production of PGPs like organic acid, siderophore-oxine, ammonia, etc., enhancing the crop resilience against biotic and abiotic stress. We express our sincere gratitude to the Ministry of Education Innovation Cell and AICTE for the opportunity. Thank you.